Hey Gordon, you were just about to unbox this, but I told you stop. This is so cool. We need to see it.
Adam did not believe in it.
Yeah, what is this?
This is BenQ's Screen Bar e-reading lamp, which is just a fancy name for a desk lamp.
So it's only for e-readers?
It's just for e-readers. No, you can use this. It's basically a desk lamp. And wait, before you click to the next channel.
No, click away, unsubscribe.
This thing is awesome. Now, I'm expecting really high things from this. I have high expectations. Adam thinks it's ridiculous to be excited about a desk lamp, but look at this. This is a desk lamp. I'm going to unbox it. I had to cut the box open here because you couldn't get it out. We can take a look. What you get,
It's actually pretty
made
big.
in Taiwan.
It's quite large.
So what we get is a basic bar with a ton of LEDs. Looks like, you know, it's nice.
Is it
looks
RGB?
like well, it's not RGB, but I'm gonna hope I think this is glass. Looks like glass, not plastic. It feels like glass. I can't be sure. Feels like glass. I don't want to break it. But the whole idea is, you know how everybody's desk. You got your desk lamp. You put it to the side of your monitor. Well, what the heck good is that if your desk is just crammed full of junk? You got video cards, motherboards, everything all over the place.
And you got glare everywhere.
You got glare everywhere. But the big thing I'm hoping, look, it's clever. So this is micro USB. We've got some controls on the top. There is temperature control. There is brightness control. But let's check it out how it really works. But I mean, I gotta say, it's amazing because you think this is one of those concepts. You go like, wow, this is just a desk lamp.
It's just a
oh
desk
no,
lamp,
you gotta put this on first.
I don't even have a desk lamp.
You don't have a desk lamp, but this is the kind of desk lamp you would want.
It's the nerd's ultimate desk lamp.
Well, because, you know, I mean, if your desk surface is like the desk behind me where you just got crap everywhere.
Like this?
Right, look at that. Where are you going to put a desk lamp? It's dark, you're late at night, you're testing stuff, or you're playing games, or you're e-reading. Let's see how this goes on. I'm going to guess.
This is probably where the, yeah, there you go.
There we go. But think about it. What's smart, look, there's no power. You just plug it into micro USB.
USB 2, I assume, right?
Yeah, this actually is high-speed USB 3.1, 10 gigs. Thunderbolt 3, I'm just joking, not really.
Joke.
You plug it in to, say, your monitor. Let's check it out. This is an older Dell 30-inch panel.
Am I hitting the lights?
1600p.
They're over here on the wall.
We're going to kill the lights here and see how this is. Now I'm going to plug this in. But look, so you got too much junk on your desk. Let's see if this is going to work. Oh, it actually works. This is the good reason to use this monitor. This is an old-fashioned, what you call thick-ass monitor, right? it's LED. It's not LED. It's actually cathode.
How big is this?
This is a 30-inch. Now let's see. How do you turn it on though? What did I do wrong?
Did you plug it in?
Did I plug it in? And of course, it's not going to fail, right? Oh, maybe that's the wrong.
Maybe read the manual?
I can't read it. It's in Chinese.
And it's too dark to read.
What am I doing wrong here? Did I not plug it in all the way?
This is a great unboxing.
Yeah, it's a great unboxing.
The memory's in the wrong slots.
Oh yeah, you put the memory in the wrong slots. Maybe hold it? Are they touch capacitive?
Oh, interesting. I don't think I'm getting any power. Oh, you know why? I think this monitor, unless you're actually powered up to the actual, unless you have it plugged into the computer, I don't think they give you any power. If that makes any sense.
It's got to download a driver, like everything else.
Probably. So we're just going to plug it into our case here. Come on.
What about the front panel?
Not plugged in.
Oh,
yeah. So
there we go.
Well, the problem I ran into there is the actual monitor is not plugged in. So unless the USB is plugged in, you get nothing. But so the idea is if you plug this in to your monitor, when I'm going to guess when you power the monitor off, power the system off, it should turn off. The nice thing is the light is supposed to not actually shine, so you can angle the light so it's on your desk instead of shining on your screen. You can also change brightness. I'm going to try to do this without reading a monitor. Let's see. Touch. And then you can also change the color temperature.
Oh, it does have a color temperature.
So if you do want to warm it up a little bit, if you're really into super warm light, I don't know what this button does. What is this? What in the world is?
Oh, is that auto adjust?
Oh yeah, it must be an auto adjust thing. So let's put the machine to sleep. So usually some monitors will power down the USB ports, some will not. So the system I just powered down, monitor's still staying on. So the light still stays on. So I guess the idea is it stays on because it basically has power to your port.
Yeah, because you want it even if your computer's off. That makes sense.
Yeah. So let's see. But yeah, you can make it very blue.
I'm a little upset it's not RGB, but not a ton.
Well, it is for you. Hey, look, it's reasonably bright. I don't know what the actual output is. Let's see if there's anything in English on the actual box. And we don't get any specs. BenQ.com. But it's all driven we're just driving off a straight USB port. But the thing about it, if you have your typical desk lamp, you've also got to plug the damn thing in somewhere on the side, find a wall switch, run that wire down. This thing you basically plug into your monitor, you're powered up. Assuming your USB ports are hot on this monitor, you do have to have it plugged in for those to light up. That's why it wasn't turning on. But look at this. It's not taking up any space. I can now have all my crap everywhere, and I still have light late at night.
Is this a stocking stuffer you'd give your kids?
Yeah, probably, because they have pretty tiny desks. I like the idea. I mean, it's such a clever idea. It's just really dumb. It's one of the little things. You think about it, desk lamps, you always got them shoved over to the side, the light's always hitting everything. It just kind of sucks. This is just so clever. I'm surprised nobody's really thought about it and implemented it in this way. I'm sure there have been USB lights before. We've seen plenty of those, but this is a decent desk lamp, completely run off of USB. And the nice thing is this color temperature. I mean, a lot of people, they don't like the really blue light, so let's see if I can change the brightness.
You almost convinced me. I might have to try to get one in to try it out.
There we go. So it's just touch sensitive. I'm going to crank it up, crank it down, and then color temperature, right? Blue. Ooh, that is blue.
Nice and cool.
And then you can go nice and, I'm sure that's changing in the viewfinder. But what is this? I'm going to guess that is an auto sensor.
Yeah.
I don't know if this, unfortunately I did not read up on the directions because the directions are not in English. But I wonder if there's like a sensor that picks up when you go in the room. I don't think so. It doesn't look like, I don't see any kind of motion detector or anything like that.
All right.
It's pretty responsive.
Cool.
It doesn't make any heat, and I think they're really into like, hey, you can angle the light away from your monitor onto your desk, so it's not shining directly onto your screen. So
nice.
BenQ. Let's call it again. BenQ Screen Bar E-reading lamp. Now the price is you better sit down. $99, I believe, last time I looked.
That's it. Unsubscribe.
It's a lot of money, but go out and look at a decent desk lamp, and I mean a decent desk lamp. They're probably $50. This is pricier than that, but you get your temperature control, which you're not going to see in a $50 cheap lamp. LED base and all completely powered off of your monitor, which I really like. So pretty clever concept. Be nice if it were cheaper. I'm sure there will be plenty of knockoffs of this immediately, but if you want the real thing that looks like a glass bezel, all the other whiz bang stuff, $99 eBay, or not eBay. BenQ, not eBay. From BenQ. Screen bar e-reading lamp, very clever idea. It's little things in life you have to appreciate.
All right, cool. Thanks, Gordon.
All right, later.